Try putting couldn't in your here clause. SQL will reject it. Here's exactly why. SQL executes your query in a specific order. Where runs first. It filters individual rows from your table before any grouping happens. Then group by aggregates those filtered rows into groups. Finally, having runs after grouping, filtering the grouped results. Think of here as a bouncer at the door and having as quality control at the exit. Here is the key insight. Having exists specifically to work with aggregate functions like cont, sum, avg, min, and max. Once rows are grouped, here cannot filter based on those aggregated values. Here ran before they were even calculated. That is why writing here cont star greater than 5 throws an error. At that stage in execution, the count does not exist yet. You must use having for any aggregate condition. Here are both clauses working together. We select department and count of employees from the employees table. Here salary greater than 50,000 filters out low earners before grouping. Group by department then aggregates the remaining rows. Finally, having count star greater than 10 keeps only departments with more than 10 qualifying employees. Here handles row level filtering. Having handles group level filtering. Here filters before grouping, having filters after. And only having can use aggregate functions. Drop a comment if this helped. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.